Coming up in a Primetime Sports Wednesday, history created. Clarendon-based team qualifies for the nation's top flight football league. The IOC extends its retesting of doping samples submitted at the Beijing 2008 and London 2012 games to include all medal winners. And West Indies coach Phil Simmons downplays suggestions that they'll start as favourites to win the Tri-Nation Series involving Australia and South Africa. Good evening, I am Jermaine Brown, and the details of these and more when we return.